Good evening, students. How are you all? Hope you all are very good and enjoying your holidays, isn't it? So, students, during this summer, drink lot of water and intake water content fruit like watermelon and cucumber. And do help to your parents and obey them. Also, you have to get in touch with your studies. So, students, pay the term fees and get your books soon. And don't forget to do the homework regularly. In the last class, we have seen about what is fundamental quantities and what is mean by fundamental units and examples for that, and what is mean by a physical quantity. All these topics we have seen with examples, isn't it? So today you are going to see what is mean by derived quantity. Our next topic is what? Derived quantities. Physical quantities that can be expressed by the multiplication or division of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. So what is mean by derived quantity? So physical quantities that can be expressed by the multiplication or division of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Okay, can you understand the definition for the derived quantities? Now we will see what is mean by derived units. The units used to express derived quantities are called derived units. So what is mean by derived units? The units used to express derived quantities are called derived units. So to understand this one very clearly, now you have to see this one. What are all the things given for the derived quantity? So students, here some examples are given for derived quantities. So what are they? Area, volume, density and speed. So these are the examples given for derived quantities. So what we have studied in the definition, that can be obtained by the multiplication or division of fundamental quantities. This is called what? Derived quantities. We have seen this one as a definition, isn't it? So how these are obtained? This is obtained by multiplication as well. This one is obtained by division. So can you understand the definition now? So this one is obtained by the multiplication or division of the fundamental quantities. Here the fundamental quantities are given and you are obtaining this one by the multiplication or division of these fundamental quantities. So this is called as what? Derived quantity. Can you understand this? Now we will see the examples one by one. First fundamental unit is area. So it is area. You will get area by means of multiplying length into breadth. Length into breadth. So area is equal to, how will you calculate area of a surface? By means of multiplying length into breadth, isn't it? So what is the unit represent area? So to represent an area, the unit used is square meter. What is the unit used to represent an area? It is square meter, and the symbol is length, means it will be measured. It will be measured in meters. Likewise, breadth, it is measured in meters. So if you multiply meter into meter, you will get meter square as the answer. So the next fundamental quantity is what? Volume. So volume means, how will you get volume? By multiplying length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. By multiplying this three, we will get volume. So the unit for this one is cubic meter. What is the unit for volume? Cubic meter. So the unit symbol is, that is a length, it is expressed in meter. Length, it is expressed in meter. Breadth is also expressed in meter, and height is also expressed in meter. So finally you will get meter cube. By multiplying this 3m, you will get meter cube. Likewise, next one, density. Density is equal to what? Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Mass divided by volume is density. So what is the unit represent for mass? Mass is nothing but it is a weight of an object. So it is expressed in kilogram. A weight of an object, it is expressed in kilogram, whereas volume it is expressed in cubic meter. Volume it is expressed in cubic meter. Just now we have seen this is meter cube, isn't it? Volume. So cubic meter or meter cube also we can say. So kilogram is, in short, we will represent it as kg. Cubic meter or otherwise meter cube also you can write up a kilogram divided by, then so kilogram divided by meter cube you will get kilogram meter second to the power of, and the last derived quantity is speed. Speed, how will you get the answer? That is distance travelled by time taken. Distance travelled by time taken is the formula to calculate the speed of an object. So the unit for this one is distance travel, it is expressed in meters. Likewise time, it is expressed in second. So the unit symbol is meter by second. So the symbol for meter is m and for second the symbol is s. So you can write this one as meter second to the power of -1. Can you understand this one? So what are all the examples we have seen? So area, volume, density and speed. You have to memorize this formula along with its unit. Also you have to memorize this one. Unit symbol also you have to memorize this one. So don't forget. This one will be useful in your higher classes. So what is the formula to calculate the area? That is length into breadth. Volume means length into breadth into height. Density is what? Mass divided by volume. Speed is what? Distance traveled by time taken. Now here a clear explanation. Another clear explanation is also given for you to understand how you are getting the unit symbol for this conversions. And here is given here formula to find speed. Now see this one, formula to find speed is, what is the formula we have studied there? That is in the tabular column. There you have studied speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. So take that one. This speed is equal to distance travelled by time. So we know distance is expressed in units of meter. Time is expressed in units of seconds. So the unit used to describe unit for speed is equal to meter by second m by, that is the unit symbol. Meter symbol is m. Second symbol is s. That is meter by second, or you can write it as meter second to the power of -1. In this way you will get the unit symbol for speed. Unit symbol for speed. Okay, can you understand clearly? So students, today your homework is what are called derived quantities. What are called derived quantities? And the next question is what are called derived units. What are called derived units? So for the second question you have to write answer from this one to this one. That is enough. Likewise for the first one, what are called derived quantities, you have to start from this one and to this one. Okay, so complete the answer for the first one up to this, starting from this one to this one. Likewise third question is you have to complete this tabular column. So examples for derived quantity is given here. So write the tabular column as it is given here. So this 3 questions is the homework for you. Complete the answer for these questions. Take a snapshot of it and send it to the HIFI app. Thank you. See you in the next class.